I have had my family history in masonry and stone carving. It's part of my DNA, really. My great-grandfather and my grandfather were both stonemasons, and I still use their chisels to this day. The barn as a studio space is just amazing. My grandfather built it. It's still there. I still do some of my work out of that. I like to place my work around my shop space. The patina that you can achieve through age and time and weathering, it really adds to the effect. I was working as a stonemason for about 10 years when I decided to pursue my bachelor's degree. There is a recipe for success, craft training alongside university training. You want both. You want to know not only how to carve, but also what to carve. And the technical training of stone carving is the how, but the what, the voice, the direction that you want to speak is the university training. I considered a lot of schools, truly all over the world. The academy, to me, had the best package of technical training with the finest instructors and the most robust curriculum. The sculpture program here gives you ceramics, bronze casting, a figurative sculpture, and oil clays or water clays. It's a very safe environment where you can take risks. You can really strive for something great in a setting that has mentors that surround you and guide you through that process. My name is Michael Bouska, and I'm an artist.